Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to share with you how to become a data agent in Ghana, okay, or wherever you may find yourself, okay. But this video is mainly for maybe those who are in Ghana, okay. So in case you are maybe in Nigeria watching this video, I think it might apply to you, okay. Just have to do a bit of research to find out. Now, becoming a data agent is very simple. You just have to follow the steps I'm about to show you in this video and you are good to go, right? Now, in order to get customers, you have to be, truthful to people who are buying from you. So once you are able to sell the data to someone and the person receives it within the stipulated time you give them, maybe within 10 minutes, they will come back for more, okay? Make sure not to dupe people, because once you do that, you just destroy your own business, okay? You won't even get customers anymore, right? So in case you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notification, because I'll be sharing more of these videos with you in the coming days, okay? Now, this is the platform, so you can just use this link over here, okay? This link over here. Now, once you come to this platform, you need to register as an agent, okay? I'll walk you through on how to do that very soon. So you could notice that these are packages you need to see, or you need to know about: MTN, Airtime, and then what, Telecel. Now, these are some important updates you need to read, okay? You just go through here, read them. I don't want to make this video too long, so you just have to read them, but there are things I need you to know, okay? Now, in case you are an agent, okay, you need to make sure that you copy the order ID. I will show you how the order ID looks like. So you make sure to copy the order ID, so that in case someone comes back to tell you that they haven't received their purchase, okay, you just have to contact the customer service of this platform right here. So this is how you can contact them. They have this Telegram page over here, okay? You just copy this link and then go to Telegram, and then you report the issue. They'll resolve it as soon as possible. And again, aside from copying the ID, make sure that you are using the right number. Let the person send you the exact number they want the data to be transferred to via WhatsApp, so that you can just copy the number and then bring it over here. So now let me show you how you can become an agent, okay? So you click on this three dots, and then you register. You click on register, okay? Once you click on register, you come here, you fill in your details. After clicking on this register, so you fill in your details, you fill in your contact email address, and then after clicking on this register, you pay a fee to become an agent. The reason why you pay a fee to become an agent is because once you're an agent, you get lower prices for your packages, okay? Unlike someone who just comes to this platform to buy the data. I will show you what I'm trying to say, okay? So once you register and then pay the fee, I think it's around 50 cedis or so. It's not that much. You'll be given the agent dashboard. So you come here and then you log in as an agent. So this is how your dashboard will look like once you are an agent. So let me switch to my agent dashboard. So this is my agent dashboard. You can see that this is very different from what I was showing you guys, okay? So once you click on these three dots, you can see this over here. My wallet is 0.00 because I've not made any transactions or any purchases yet. So let me show you how my transactions look like, so that you notice that, or you know that this is very legitimate. So these are some of the transactions I've made for the past couple of, I think, months back or so, and how much people paid for data packages, okay? These are the numbers the data packages were transferred to, then the data packages the people paid for, okay? The list goes on and on and on. I don't want to make this video long, so let me go back to my bundle package. So in case someone wants to buy a bundle package, you just need the bundle package they want, and then the accurate number they want the data to be sent to, okay? So remember that I stated that once registering for an agent, you need to pay a fee. This fee will let you get lower prices for your packages. So check this out. You can notice that this is a fee and an agent dashboard. So you can see MTN data bundles agent, Airtime agent, Telecel agent. But when we go to the normal platform, you can notice that you only have what MTN data bundles, nothing. Now, in case you want to buy data bundle and then you are not an agent, when you click on MTN data bundle, you see 1 gig is what 6 cedis 50 pesos, 2 gig is what 12 cedis. Check this out. In case you are an agent, and then let's see, 1 gig is what 5 cedis 70 pesos. 2 gig is what 11 cedis. You see how cheap this is. That's why you need to pay that fee in order to get these cheap prices so that you can also sell to people. Okay, now this is how you buy the data bundle for people. So I've shown you how to register, I've shown you how to log in. So after registering, you need to deposit money into your account. So we click on wallet. Okay, I don't want this video to be long, so I'm moving as fast as I can. Okay, so after registering, you'll be given this dashboard, and then this is your wallet. Now, the 50 cedis you paid is not deposited into this account. Okay, it's just for you to get lower prices. Now, after registering as an agent, you come here, and then the amount of money you want to deposit to start this business could be as low as 20 cedis. Okay, and then the mobile money you want to transfer the money from into this account. Okay, you just do that, and then you click on load wallet. Okay, the wallet will be loaded, and then you can use it to make these transactions and all that for people buying data packages. This is how to load your wallet. So I've shown you how to register, I've shown you how to load your wallet. Now I'm going to show you how to buy the data for people. Okay, in case someone places an order. Now you come here, maybe the person wants an MTN data bundle. Click here, maybe the person wants what, let's say 10 gig. Okay, so 10 gig is what 44 cedis right here. Let's go to the normal package. 10 gig is what 55 cedis. Okay, now so once the person wants maybe 10 gig, you come here, click on what, buy. You click on buy over here. Once you click on buy, you'll be brought here. Now the number the person wants the data package to be sent to, you copy that number, and then you put that over here, and then you input your own mobile money over here, mobile money number over here. But since you've already deposited money into your wallet, okay, they will just deduct the money from your wallet. Okay, and then it will be sent to the person. So in case you charge for maybe 60 cedis for 10 gig, the person will send you 60 cedis, and then you just buy the data for just 44 cedis. The remaining amount is your what, your profit. Okay, it's just simple, straight for this. Again, let me show you the what, my transactions, so that you notice that this is very, very legitimate. Okay, these are some of the transactions I made. I can go to next, and then you see the other transactions. Okay, they are just here, all of them. Okay, so this is how you become a data agent. Okay, and buying data for people. So you can see the number of recipients, so the total, the different numbers who I bought data for. So you could notice that this is a different number, this is a different number, a lot of the numbers. Okay, a lot. So let me go back, and then let me show you some of the different. Okay, so 0593, 0549, 0542, 0591. You see, a lot of them. So this is how you can become a data bundle agent in Ghana. Okay, you can sell MTN, Airtel, Tigo, Thisis. Okay, now I will share the other platforms with you, but I will not go through them. You can just explore their platforms. Okay, right. So in case you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notification, because I'll be dropping lots and lots of videos similar to this, and then other ones on how to get Netflix accounts and what Visa cards in Ghana. Okay, so I'll see you in our next video. Have a lovely day.